Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be exploring the expense category page and demonstrating how to create a new expense category. In this video, I'm going to show you the expense category page and how to create an expense category. You can find it under the Settings Setup menu, and here is the Product Expense Category page. It is a global management function for expense types. It serves as the basis for accounting on a view page. How do you maintain accounting on the view page under different cost scenarios? And what is the corresponding geocode? This page supports the creation, editing, and management of expense categories. Let's create a new expense category using this button. First, you need to enter the category name and the geocode type. The associated GL account will be shown after you choose the GL account type. You can also choose multiple accounts that share a set of expense categories. Additionally, you can add or disable expense categories as needed. And that will be it for the expense category page. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos for more helpful tips and information. See you next time.